Bonobos, just like their cousins the chimpanzees, are another member of the great apes. They were once thought to be the same as the common chimpanzee, however we now know they are a different species. Bonobos differ from chimpanzees in that they have a much more slender build, spend more time walking on two legs, and have hair that parts down the middle. Bonobos are found only in one country on Earth, the Democratic Republic of Congo. They prefer to live in dense forests, but are also found near swamps and secondary forest. Just like chimpanzees, bonobos are omnivorous, which means they eat plants and meat. Though they mainly eat fruit, nuts and leaves, bonobos will also hunt and eat duiker, small flying squirrels and other small mammals. Bonobos are far less aggressive than chimpanzees and will even share their food with bonobos that they do not know. Unlike chimpanzees, bonobos are led by older females, and they will decide when and where to feed and to sleep. When they are relaxed, bonobos love to play. Adults and young will chase each other around and even play hide and seek. It is not unusual to see a bonobo laughing when it's being tickled by one of its friends. Bonobos and chimpanzees are very similar in that they live in what is called a Fission-Fusion society. This means that smaller groups of bonobos split off from the larger group to go and forage for food or to play. However, the smaller groups will return to the large group when it is time to sleep. It is not only primates that live in fission-fusion societies. Other examples are elephants, dolphins, and hyenas.